Pound USD, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the down move. We mentioned we expect if we want to look for sell, we need to get the big correction, and this is what we get. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, in this case, we move to daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. If you refer to our analysis when the price within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the down move, either similar to what we have here or this. Right now, this is what we get, including 1, 2, 3, similar to what we have here. Now we want to see whether there is a continuation, or because if we put this one in relative to this, we can have this one. And we can expect one move up before we get the next move, because similar to what we have here. Or if we look at this one, that's why we have two options. That means this one, if there is a, I mean, we can expect to be similar to what we have here. Okay, now the question is, how we are going to look at this? We either to put this one relative to this or here. Okay, then in this case, we want to see how we can trade it. If we see any down move from here, still we look for the down move. Then this means still we can look for sell. And if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. All right, we have been looking for this correction, and now we get. That's why if we get any sell from here, still we can take this trade. Okay, and we don't have the divergence. We can rely on that if we look at the indicators. All right, MACD, and here we have nothing. Okay, that's why we're looking for trade setup for sell. And if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, the only thing is based when we refer to the 1 hour chart, because as we can see here, the price broke the previous low. If we put this one in relative to this, based on the indicators, we can see the prices start to show us as divergence, but we cannot rely on that. And what we have here already we get. Okay, as I mentioned, mostly we will be more interested if this one give us one more drop. We will look for sell. Okay, can we consider this one may start of the reversal, because the way it's moving is not, because for reversal we need to get the sharp move flag. The only times maybe we can look for buy. It doesn't mean, okay, what the, I should explain this way. We're looking for the correction to look for sell. Either this is the only correction because we can consider this one as a flat. Any sell from here, or if the price move higher, if we get any flag, sharp move with the flag, we can look for sell, or we can have entry below this. But having entry, we want the price tag break and continue the price tag. We see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. And how about if this is the start of the reversal? How we can look for buying? When we want to look for the reversal, we need to get the sharp move flag. What we have here, even we consider it's a sharp move, but the way it's moving is not really sharp. Even we didn't have the trade set up for buy. Okay, may if we want to look for buy, we can wait for one more drop. At that times, if we get any buy, we can look for buy, but as a short term buy. Okay, and if we get the buy, we see it's not moving, we don't stay with the trade. Why? Because still this one can turn to a deeper correction for one more drop. Okay, by the way, mostly we are more interested in down moving the sell rather than the buy, because what we have here, it doesn't give us any indication for the reversal unless there is a continuation with the flag. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. We want to see how we can look for sell, and if I see any update I will share. Thanks.